Alright, this is a cockatiel. This cockatiel, they grow to be generally 12 to 14 inches in length and come in various shades of gray with whites and yellows and oranges mixed in. The cockatiel is rather unique in the sense that its metabolism pretty much adapts to any amount of protein that it intakes, so that no matter how much protein it gets, it will never gain weight or suffer any adverse health effects. They usually feed on small nuts, berries, any sorts of fruits that they can find in Australia, or any small washed fruits that people feed them in captivity. They're oviparous, meaning they lay eggs, and as far as their niche goes, they cover most of Australia, and they're prey to just any sort of reptile or mammal that can get a hold of them.
This is a New Caledonian crested gecko. They're also known as the eyelash gecko. They have little spikies that run from above their eyes that go all the way down the back to their tails. That's why they're also known as the eyelash gecko. On their feet, they have little, let's see if you can see, they have little tiny claws that help them stick to things that their cilia don't help them stick to, and they live in the trees in the rainforest. I don't know. They are oviparous and lay 2 eggs every 4 weeks, when most of them in the wild don't have tails because they, like a lot of reptiles, drop their tails, and unlike most reptiles that drop their tails, they don't grow them back. They're from the group Reptilia, the order Squamata, and the genus Rhacodactylus. Their species name is Rhacodactylus ciliatus, which they get because they have cilia on their feet and the ends of their tails that help them stick to the trees in the rainforest, which they adapted to have that so they could avoid their predators, which are the little fire ants that live on the floor. And they, not only do the fire ants eat the geckos, they also eat what the geckos eat, so they're like a double threat. The crested gecko grows between 4 to 8 inches long and feeds on small bugs such as crickets, and they also eat non-citrus fruits. This is a guinea pig. They are domesticated now. They used to be native to New Guinea, where they lived in caves and in like little fields and stuff. Their niche is they were like basically like cows. They graze and like eat plants and stuff, and they're not predators. They're herbivores, and mostly, like, their biggest purpose was to be a prey animal. They were eaten by basically anything that can eat them. But they have highly adapted ears. They're kind of big. They have advanced hearing and really big noses, which help them smell. And they're like little cows. They're so cute. They are placental mammals, and a female will give birth to up to 6 pups. The largest amount of pups in a litter ever recorded was 14, which is ridiculous. They are good. They're really good pets for people with allergies because they don't have fur, they have hair, and they are so cute.
This is a Russian tortoise. They grow to be about 15 to 25 centimeters and have very soft, vulnerable, retractable bodies and 4 clawed legs that they can pull into their shell when endangered. That's a unique adaptation of theirs that they use to avoid being eaten by larger predators that can't break through their shell. They usually come in shades of brown and black and sometimes yellowing colors. They're reptiles, part of the order Testundes, and the family Testunidae. I don't know how to say it, sorry. They usually feed on small grasses, weeds, and in captivity it's particularly recommended that you give them lactuca, sativa lettuce, and dandelions. They're favorites. They're oviparous, and the eggs they lay are a tasty treat for most reptiles and other egg-eating mammals. Also, fun fact, they were the first tortoise in space. The Russians sent a Russian tortoise into space along with other reptiles.
This is a New Caledonian crested gecko. They're from somewhere. Never mind. I didn't look up where they're from. Caledonia. New Caledonia. That's a place. They're also known as the eyelash gecko because of these little pointy things right above their eyes that resemble. Ouch!
It bit you. Alright, that was a bad.
Do they even have teeth? That didn't even. It just went like.
good?
No, it was just. Am I on the screen at all?
I'm really sorry it bit you.
Your nose.
It's okay. It doesn't hurt.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You need a band-aid?
No, it's look. I don't even think they have teeth. Like,
Did it break the skin?
no, not even a little. I don't even.
You're a bastard.
It doesn't even look like
Look at it
that.
licking its lips.
Here's your stuff.
Hi, I'm Andrew Linares. Oh, wait, no, you're supposed to. Can you edit that out?
Yeah, sure, just go ahead.
New Caledonian crested geckos. Or eyelash geckos. It's easy to care for them. Really, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I don't know what to say. I really don't know much about them.
Come here,
I'm really nervous. Let me get Chelsea over here.
No, I got this. All right.
You guys are gonna have a hard time with this. Let me get one of my associates over here.